Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am here again in the beach at South Shore Road, South Shore Beach. I am here at South Shore Beach, Bermuda Island. So look at the beautiful rock formation here. Someone is swimming there. I saw a guy swim. He likes to go to swim because today is it's not really cold. It's not really cold today. Lovely. Perfect day. So look at that guy. Oh. He's going to swim. Beautiful beach here in Bermuda Island. It's one of the ship here. Ginaw rin yung ano doon, no? Yung lalaki. Giniginaw rin siya o bumalik siya kasi giniginaw rin siya, magginaw siguro yung ano, giniginaw rin siya kasi medyo malamig-lamig pa rin, not totally summer yet. Yan, bumalik na naman siya. Doon sa likod, oh. Doon sa likod, patawid doon sa kabila. Hindi nga, i-try ko nga tumawid doon. Tingnan ko lang kung ano, mayroon doon. Yan na, makapilbong hangin. na lang ako doon. Mas maganda doon eh. Tingnan mo, may aso. Yan. In Australia. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and